evening. Peace. Welcome to Maths World YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the multiplicative inverse of a matrix. So first definition is about the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2, what is 2 by 2 matrix? The matrix 2 by 2 means that the matrix which is having the same order. 2 by 2. Rows and column both are same, 2 and 2. So let the matrix A, B, C, D be a 2 by 2 square matrix. Square matrices are the matrices in which the number of rows are equal to the number of columns. The determinant of A is denoted by, this is very important, that A, you can write that A also, and you can put the like the pars and A, capital A. So that A, you just see A is multiplied with D and D is multiplied with C, like this. So AD minus BC is equal to a number that is a real number, that belongs to a real number. Like this also B matrix, this is a question. So you're going to multiply 1 with 3, like this, 1 multiplied by 3 and minus 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, and minus plus 2 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2, and minus 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So determinant is 5. Then simply you know how to write M matrix is there. So that M you can write, or you can write the and the root M minus. Okay, and like this is equals to 0. So now next, if you move to the next topic, that is about the singular and non-singular matrices. What are singular and non-singular? Square matrix is called singular if a determinant of A or determinant of a matrix is equal to 0. The determinant, how that, if you, this is a matrix given to you, that is a singular, that is a square matrix, you know, the C 2 by 2. If you're going to take the determinant of it, 1 multiplied by 0 and minus 0 multiplied by 2, the answer is 0. So it means the answer of the determinant of A is equal to 0, so they are called singular matrices. And a matrix A is called non-singular, the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Like this, it is not equal to 0, so they are not, they are just called non-singular. So learn the definition, and you're going to write when the definition and write an example to justify your definition. Then that is about adjoint of a matrix. How to learn the adjoint? Actually, you should just concept it, or you can focus it, because that will help you in your further exercise, so that if you don't clear your concept over here, you are not able to solve the questions at the other side. So the adjoint of a square matrices is obtained by, it is get by, obtained by interchanging the diagonal entries and changing the signs of other entries. You should know what is a diagonal. I had told you another day also that diagonal is actually the array form. It can be a ray. Okay, it can be a ray. The formation actually is in a ray form, that if you just see, so this is like this. This DNA, they are forming the diagonal. This DNA, they're forming the diagonal, like 4 and 2, this line show this is a diagonal. Okay, diagonal like triangular diagonal, other diagonal, you know. So this is a kind of diagonal. So you have understood what is the diagonal. So diagonal entries sign would be changed. There would be that whatever would will happen with the diagonal, that their entries will be interchanged. That what happened, that suppose this is the A B C D. So D will come to the place of A and A will come to the place of D, like this. And the non-diagonal, which are non-diagonal entries, B and C, their sign will be changed. They are plus, so they're going to minus, like this. For example, also 1 2 3 0. So diagonal entries 1 0 will replace 0 1, like this, and 2 and 3 will be minus 2 and minus 3. Then now in the other example also, you are going to denote it by the edge B edge, and the then you're going to write the abbreviation or the symbol of the capital letter like A, the of the matrix. Then it's a multiplicative inverse of a non-singular matrix. Let A and B are the non-singular matrices. They are not equal to 0, and square matrices of same order. Let A be at the multiplicative inverse. So AB is equals to BN and A. That is, this is not one, this is identity matrix. AB multiplied by equals to BA is equals to identity matrix. Okay, then inverse of A is noted by A inverse like this, and you know this is a question would be given to you that A into A inverse is equals to inverse A and A inverse into identity. Very very important that inverse of identity matrix is identity matrix. Identity matrix का inverse भी आपका identity matrix ही होगा. देन आपके पास है इनवर्स ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स यूजिंग अ डेड जॉइंट. अच्छा, इसमें आपने एक दो बातें याद रखनी है, आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. जब आपको क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा कि आपने नॉन सिंगुलर की आपने मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स कैसे लेना है, आपको ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे होगा कि ए बी बी ए डी और सारा ये लिखा हुआ है आपका प्रोसेस इसके जरिए से. लेकिन आपने अगर मैट्रिक्स का आपने इनवर्स लेना है तो आप एड जॉइंट और डिटर्मिनेंट कैसे करें. इसमें आपके पास एक मैट्रिक्स होगी like let M is a matrix. To find a matrix, so what you will do, first you're going to you will inverse, you will that M matrix you find inverse, so M and negative 1 you write like this. Then what you will do, you will find the determinant like this. You're going to find the determinant, and then just see over here, after the determination you're going to what is the formula, that is the adjoint of M over determinant of M is equals to the inverse. So this is a formula you people highlighted for your sake also, and for how you're going to solve it. You just highlighted that this is the formula. Then what you will do, simply you're going to write the determinant 2 multiplied by minus 3, but 2 multiplied by into minus 3 minus 1 multiplied by 1. So like this your answer is 5 minus 5, that is non-zero. Then what you will do, adjoint, you're going to take the adjoint, interchange the diagonal entries and non-diagonal entries either change, and then divided by the determinant. So what you will do then, 1 by 5, and you just write the adjoint, and then you just simply write 3 multiply by 1 by 5 and 3 1 by 5, all the entries you're going to multiply, and then you're going to get the answer of that. Here you have the, this is your determinant. And verification, the question would be given to you that how you'll find it. You're going to multiply the A matrix with B matrix, and then you're going to take the this one inverse of the product of the AB matrix, and then in the other side, that is right hand side, just like here the left hand side, they have multiplied the AB matrices, and then they have taken the determinant and adjoint, and then they have taken the inverse of the product. In the right hand side, they will take the B matrix and take the inverse of it, and then A matrix, and both of the inverse you're going to multiply it. So now you practice all the concepts about we have learned, the determinant, the joint, the multiplicative inverse, other than that, and do practice them, and so that you will be able to understand, and you will be able to learn and solve exercise 1.5. So do practice them, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. And stay blessed.